This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin remote to your trolling motor. First, make sure your Garmin force trolling motor is powered on and ready for pairing. You'll want to have your Garmin remote control fully charged and within a few feet of the motor. A good battery level on the remote ensures a smooth and uninterrupted connection process, so double-check that before you begin. Next, let's get your trolling motor into pairing mode. Find the dedicated pairing button on the head of your Garmin Force trolling motor. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. You'll notice an LED indicator light begin to flash, which tells you the motor is now actively broadcasting and ready to establish a connection with your remote control. This is a crucial step for successful pairing. Now, let's get your remote control to find the motor. On your Garmin remote, access the main menu and look for the Settings option. Within Settings, you should find a Pairing or Connect Device selection. Choose this, and your remote will begin scanning for available Garmin Force trolling motors. Ensure your remote is within a range of about 10 feet from the motor for optimal signal detection during this step. Finally, let's confirm your connection. Once the pairing is successful, the LED indicator on your trolling motor will stop flashing and remain solid. Your Garmin remote will also display a clear confirmation message, letting you know the devices are linked. Take a moment to test basic functions, such as steering left and right and adjusting the speed. This ensures everything is working perfectly before you head out on the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.